Now I would like to call upon Mr. Zuhaib from 9th B to present his speech on the topic Independence Day of Pakistan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Mr. President, respected teacher, and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is the Independence Day of Pakistan. Who knew that the day of 14th of August will little world and way that both East and West will come to know that they stand. A country named Pakistan, a lovely place with fair land. A quaid-e-azam for a dream and a struggle of a human flood. A new beginning beyond a stream filled with the Muslim blood. Dear fellow, 14th of August is a common date like other dates of English calendar for nation, but for Pakistani nation, this date is the most remarkable day in the history of Pakistan. Pakistan came into being on 14th of August according to English calendar, well according to Islamic calendar. It was 27th of Ramadan when Allah released Muslims with the five homeland. The word Pakistan is made combining two words, Pak and Stan. Pak means five and Stan means homeland. Therefore, the meaning of Pakistan is homeland of faith people. Mr. President, people gave sacrifice of their lives for independence because they could not follow Islam independently and could not perform their religious duty properly in subcontinent. They were punished or distributed when they performed their religious duties. It offended the Muslim, but as they were weak nation, they could not do anything. Name of Pakistan, like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, and Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan, are always written in the golden word in the history of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, also known as quaid-e-azam, is the real founder of Pakistan. Allama Iqbal was excited Muslim to earn their own nationality and name in the world. Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan, who Muslim too, brought Muslim nation forward and made school and college for Muslims, so that they may come to know that the fulfill the latest demand of the evidence age. Pakistan came into being after the sacrifice of countless lives. Many mothers lost their son, many wives lost their husband, and many children lost their father. And they, Pakistan came into being. People gave sacrifice of their lives so that next generation may not fight and difficult and may live a safe life. Dear President, Pakistan was God for creating environment, just as it was the period of Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when he took round of the straight and darkness for becoming sure that no one is hungry. Pakistan was God for creating such environment where ladies will come outside by covering their body. It is the order in the Holy Quran. Pakistan was God for creating such environment where men like Hazrat Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anhu, may born was most of her pray and read Holy Quran, whether their neck for their body.